Hey traders, it is Sunday night about 9:30. It's been a pretty big weekend for me. I didn't get a chance to make a video yesterday, but I just want to do a little wrap up of how my week went, and pretty uneventful to be honest. And what was the trade? Probably, probably the last trade here was very unnecessary in MBRX. So I got in after the financing announcement. And look, and I would just please watch the video. It would have been on Friday about how I lost $40 on this, and it's nothing significant. I mean, this is a paper trading account as well. I'm still learning, and I'm more on the conservative side of trading, so you're not going to see huge positions, huge losses, but you're not going to see huge winners, to be honest. So I had a trade on Monday. TROV, not a good trade at all. Yeah, this was really dumb actually. I I took the trade. It was a breakout and holding above the 5-day moving average, which is what I'm doing now, as well as dip buys. And I left because I had to let my dog out. She was barking, whatever. I don't want to disturb the peace with the neighbors. But I left the trade on, and I should have just closed it straight away, and I didn't, and it was, it was pretty stupid. I can't quite remember what TRV. I believe it did have a catalyst. It was all pretty good pre-market too, but yeah, it was just close the trade. So, all right, MBRX. It was after they announced the revolutionary molecular cancer discovery, and it was moving pretty good. It didn't get much higher. I think the high was 328, and it was actually 318 to 328. I ended at 325, but I actually got executed 328. So this was a $50 trade, which is not good, really. I mean, I normally have a little more risk. This was only 500 shares though, so, and I got out at 50. And then again, MBRX. This was after the financing. I got in at. It was sort of floating around the low twos pre-market after it dipped down after the announcement, and then it came back up. I believe it was like a 218 entry. No, it was a 224 entry, 221 exit is what it was. So, and this was 2,000 shares as well, so it's a little bit bigger. Which again isn't the best. You want to sort of keep the risk similar for all the trades, but that's the situation, guys. So down about $40. On my calculations, 36. That's $6 to $36 for the week. So this is what this channel is about, just to sort of rehash. It's conservative trading, learning the patterns, very much in a learning state. It's been let's just see the calendar. Ignore why it says that time of day. It's not that time. It's 9:30 at night. All right, so I would have got into. It's the market prep program, so it's the tier below the challenge. I mean, do I want to do the challenge? I'm not too sure. What I am finding very difficult is getting to market open because it's 10:30 at night for me. So half the month, it's just not appropriate with my work schedule. And close is, it's not ideal either. All right, so I got in on the 7th of July. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 months. Oh, so the 7th of Feb was, so it's been 7 months, more than 7 months. And look, I think I did do a little recap video and all that, but I think the market prep was around $1,500, and I would say, I don't regret it at all, honestly. I mean, was that a lot of money to me? Yes, it was. And you do learn a lot, and you just have to be open to learning a lot, and you sort of have to learn, but learn what complements you. as well. If you have to go over things a lot, do that. Don't just think you're going to get things straight away, because most people, most people aren't doing that. And understand price action is a big important thing. And just don't think about making money straight away. I haven't made any money at all of this. I mean, could I? Maybe, but I just don't feel confident enough to do that. This is how I am. In the Forex thing, I backtest for 8 months. Okay, because that's what just suits my personality. And then I went into the live account. The live account was good. I mean, last month I made 8% on a small account. And I mean, granted, you can make that in one trade with the penny stocks, but you could lose that very quickly as well. So I'm very conservative. So as a bit of a disclaimer. But anyway, guys, that is the week in review. Again, go through the channel, check out each video. This is not a synopsis of all the trades I've done this week. It's more, what I've sort of learned from the week's trades. There were 3 trades, which is quite a lot for me in a week. But yeah, down $36. Could have been better. It probably could have been better. I mean, both. This MBRX trade, this last trade was probably inappropriate, and TROV should have been really a break-even trade. So really, it should have been $50. And to me, that's cool. $50. It all adds up, But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and bye for now.